Car vacuum, CHERYLON portable car vacuum cleaner, high power paw for car interior cleaning with wet or dry for men/women, 16.4 feet corded. A professional deep cleaning vehicle tool. Use the car vacuum to save your time and money to get professional cleaning results every time. Strong suction. 150W powerful motor, RPM up to 32,000 rounds/min. The car vacuum provides strong suction to clear your car of dust, hair, and other debris easily. Multi-angle and long-distance extension. It comes with a 16.4-foot power cord and a variety of extension pipes to reach every spot of your car. Compact structure and good sealing. Prevent inhalation of dust and other garbage from leaking out to cause secondary cleaning. What you get: vacuum cleaner, long tube, slot pipette, extended hose, brush nozzle, cleaning brush, carrying bag. 24-month full support.